TotalBoat Fathom is the perfect solution for deep casting projects, river tables, turning blanks, sculptures, and so much more. With a 2-to-1 mix ratio by volume, measure 2 parts A and 1 part B. Then mix well until the liquid moves from cloudy to clear. This self-leveling, low-viscosity formula ensures a bubble-free casting with a smooth, even surface. You can pour up to 2 or 3 inches depending on the surface area of the mold you're using. Fathom is an ultra-clear epoxy, which can also be tinted with mica powder and other colorants for a unique look. With TotalBoat Fathom, you can tackle large casting projects, river tables, and more with a single pour, and enjoy a crystal clear finish.